Simple interest. Before we discuss in the topic, first we will see what is the formula of simple interest. Formula of simple interest I equal to PTR by 100 or simple interest SI equal to PTR by 100. First we will see what are these terms. First, what is interest? Definition of interest. Interest means the additional amount charged. Additional amount. Suppose if you borrow some money from your friend or bank, you have to repay the borrowed amount plus some extra amount for using your friend's money. That is called interest amount. And also you can see simple example. If you deposit some money in bank, after some time the bank will pay you some extra amount of money for using your money. That is called interest. Next, simple interest. Simple interest means simple interest we have two types of interest: simple interest and compound interest. Simple interest is it is calculated uniformly. Uniformly means suppose if you borrow some amount of money at a fixed rate of interest. Suppose if you borrow money at a 10% rate, you have to repay the 10% amount for first year, second year, third year. Take how many, it doesn't matter how many years, you have to pay the same rate of interest. Next, I equal to PTR by 100. Next, P equal to principal. What is principal? Principal means the amount of principal equal to the amount of money borrowed. Amount of money borrowed. It is how much of amount you borrowed from the bank or your friend. Next, T equal to time. Time means how many years you borrowed the amount. Next, R equal to rate of interest. R means rate of interest. R is always in percentages. This is interest rate. Suppose R is he will give some 6% to 8%, 10% or 20%. Next, last one, amount. What is amount? Amount equal to principal plus simple interest or compound interest. Amount always principal plus interest. Amount means the amount of money you borrowed from bank plus the extra money interest you have to pay. So amount equal to principal plus interest. Next, we will discuss how he will ask different types of questions from given formula. Simple interest formula SI equal to PTR by 100. If we ask to find out simple interest, simply you can substitute all the values, P value, T value, R value, and solve, you will get simple interest. Sometimes he will ask what is the principal amount. If he ask P value, you can simply send all the remaining terms to the left hand side. First, what is P? P equal to, suppose if you send 100 to this side, it will become multiply. Simple interest into 100. Next, send this TR. Here P into TR. It will become division. SI into 100 by TR. So P equal to SI into 100 by TR. Sometimes he will ask what is the value of T. So T equal to, you can simply send all the remaining terms to left hand side. 100 becomes multiplication. SI into 100. Simple interest into 100 by, next, send this P and R to the left hand side. It will become division by P into R. Next, similarly, sometimes you will ask what is the value of R. R equal to same, simple interest into 100 divided by P into T. These are different types of formulas you can ask in simple interest. Next we will see some example problems so you can understand easily. Next, example 1. What would be the simple interest obtained on an amount of 6,535 rupees at the rate of 10% per annum after 6 years? So first read the problem 2 times and write the given data. So first given principal amount. Principal amount P equal to 6,535 rupees. Next, rate of interest. Rate of interest R equal to 10%. Next, time T equal to 6 years. We need to find out what would be the simple interest. Simple interest formula. Simple interest SI equal to P into T into R by 100. Now substitute the given values. Given P equal to 6,535 into time equal to 6 years into R equal to 10 divided by 100. Now solve this one. 0 0 cancel. Multiply 6,535 into 6. You will get 39,210. 39,210 by 10. Next, similarly, you can cancel 0 and 0. You will get 3,921 rupees. This is simple interest. He has to pay after 6 years. Next, example 2. Veena obtained an amount of 8,376 rupees as simple interest on a certain amount at 8% per annum after 6 years. What is the amount invested by Veena? So first read the given problem carefully. Veena obtained an amount of 8,376 as simple interest. So simple interest, given simple interest equal to 8,376 rupees. Next, at 8% per annum, given rate equal to 8%. Next, after 6 years. So time equal to 6 years. Next, we need to find out what is the amount invested by Veena. Amount invested means we need to find out principal equal to how much. Principal amount equal to how much. So first write given formula. What is formula of simple interest? SI equal to PTR by 100. SI equal to PTR by 100. We need to find out the value of P, principal invested amount. So P equal to, send 100 to this side. It will become multiplication. SI into 100 by, next send TR to left hand side. By, it will become division by TR. Now substitute the given values. SI equal to simple interest 8,376 rupees into 100 by time equal to 6 years into rate equal to 8. Now try to cancel these two terms. Last digit is 6, here 6. Both are even numbers. So cancel in two table. 2 4 ja 8, 2 1 ja 2, remainder 1. 2 8 ja 16, remainder 1. Again 2 8 ja 16. Here it is 2 3 ja 6. Here 4 1 ja 4, remainder 2. This is 12, 628. So 4 3 ja 12. 4 2 ja 8. 132 into now cancel these two in two table. 2 6 ja 12. remainder 1. 2 9 ja 18, remainder 1. 2 8 ja 16. Next 2 4 ja 8. Again these two go in 2 table, cancel. 2 3 ja 6. 2 4 ja 8, remainder 1. 2 9 ja 18. Here 2 2 ja 4. Now two these two not cancelling, two table. Now multiply these two. 349 into 100. So simply add two zeros. 349 0 0 by 2. Now cancelling two table. You'll get 2 1 ja 2. Remainder 1. 2 7 ja 14. Again here 9. So 2 4 ja 8. Remainder 1. 2 5 ja 10. 0. You'll get 17,450. 70,450. This is principal amount, borrowed amount. Next, example 3. The interest earned on 15,000 in 3 years. At simple interest is 5,400 rupees. Find the rate percent per annum. So we need to find out rate percent means R. R equal to how much? First write given data. The interest earned on 15,000 in 3 years is simple interest is 5,400. So given simple interest, this one simple interest equal to 5,400 rupees. Next, the interest earned on 15,000. So 15,000 is P value. P equal to principal amount 15,000. Next, given time T equal to 3 years. Find the rate percent. So first write formula. Simple interest formula equal to SI equal to PTR by 100. We need to find out R value. So send all these remaining terms to left hand side. R equal to 100 will become multiply. SI into 100 divide by PT. P into T. Now substitute the given values. Simple interest equal to 5,400 into 100 by PT. P equal to 15,000 into time T. T equal to 3 years. Now cancel. Here these two zeros and these two zeros cancel. Next this 0 and this 0. 540. Now write remaining terms. 540 into 1. 540 by 15 into 3. 15 3 is 45. Now try to cancel these two terms in 5 table. 5 1 is 5. Next 4 will not go in 5 table. So take 40. You are taking two numbers at a time, so keep 0. 5 8 is 40. Here 5 9 is 45. It is 108 by 9. Again cancel in 9 table. 9 1 is 9. Remainder 1. 9 2 is 8. So R equal to 12. Take rate of interest always in percentage. R equal to 12%.